Hello students, today we discuss a topic that is impulse. What is impulse? When a large amount of force acting on a body for small interval of time, then it is called impulsive force. Generally example, when we hit a ball by a bat, then what happen? Large amount of force acting on the ball for small interval of time, that force is called impulsive force. Okay? Other example, when we hit a nail with a hammer, large amount of force acting on a nail for small interval of time, that is impulsive force. Other example, a person jumping from certain height on a cement floor, at that time large amount of force acting on a person for small interval of time, that is impulsive force. Generally in mathematical form, impulse can be written as impulse is the product of force and time of action of force, that is time. Impulse is the product of force and time. Here T is the time for which force is acting. Okay? Generally its unit is, its SI unit is force, the unit of force is Newton and the time is second. So, SI unit is Newton second. Okay. Now, we discuss impulse momentum theorem. Okay. What is impulse momentum theorem? We know that impulse can be written as the product of force and time. Okay. Force can also be written as product of mass and acceleration. Okay. Time has remained, it is taken as equation number 1. Okay. From equation of motion v equal to u plus at, acceleration can be found as a equal to v minus u divided by t, equation number 2. Putting equation 2 in equation number 1, we found that putting equation number 2 in equation number 1, a as v minus u by t. Now, time and time cancel each other. Impulse can be written as mv minus mu. Impulse can be written as mv minus mu. So, here mv is the final momentum and mu is the initial momentum. So, impulse is also equal to change in momentum. Now, we discuss example of impulse. When a cricket player holding a catch, he lower his hand in backward direction. Okay? Because impulse is the product of force and time. If time taken by the player increases, if time taken by the ball to comes to rest increases, then he feel less hurt. Okay? Force experienced by player is less. Okay? If time is very small, then force experienced by player is maximum. Other examples, when a person jumping from certain height on a cement floor, it experiences more hurt than falling on a heap of sand, because in case of heap of sand, time taken by the person to comes to rest is maximum, but in case of cement floor, time taken by the person to comes to rest is fraction of time. Okay? So, he feel maximum force in case of cement floor than in case of heap of sand. Okay?